to my new session. In this session, we're going to discuss the valve sounds and the positions of valve sounds. So there are two types of valve sounds, the lub and the dub. So the lub sound is generated during the closing of the cuspid valves, and the dub sound is formed due to the closing of semilunar valve. So the first we can explain by the location of the second intercostal where I'm pointing right now. You can see this point is the aortic semilunar valve point. The sound is produced in this point. It is the sound is produced can be heard from this point of which sound? Aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve sound can be observed from this location, and this location of semilunar valve is located in the margin of the sternum. This is the margin of the sternum, and it is on the second and third, between the second and third intercostal space. Second and third intercostal space, between the second and third intercostal space. So this is the semilunar valve sound. So what will be the sound? Exactly, it is the dub sound. Semilunar valve closing is the dub sound. I explained above that the semilunar valve closing sound will be dub sound. So this is the dub sound. Next is this point, the left of the sternum margin. Left of the sternum margin. It is in the second and close to the second and between the second and third intercostal space. This position have the sound of pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve, and it is positioned on the left of the margin, intercostal margin and intercostal sternal margin, and this sound is dub sound. And this you can see the heart apex. It is in the left, and it is the size. It is the place where most of the heart mass is concentrated, or extra of the muscular activity. Muscular activity is also seen on the side. So this the most of the due to the expansion of the activity of the sound of the heart is commonly expanded sound of the heart is seen on this side. It is on the between the fifth and sixth intercostal space. The line, you can see the line. It is at the tip of the heart apex or heart base. So this point has the sound of mitral valve, means this sound is of bicuspid valve. So this sound is what? The closing of bicuspid valve is lub. Exactly, it is lub sound. So lub. So next is this one. This is the point of between the fifth intercostal space and the point of the fifth intercostal space, and this position has the sound of tricuspid valve. It is over the variations include over sternum or over left sternal margin. There are variation in this sound. The sound of tricuspid valve has so many variations because it is close to the mitral valve. So the sound can be absorbed to this location. So when we observe the variations should be observed. So the fifth intercostal space variation include over the sternum and over left sternal margin in the fifth intercostal space. So this left intercostal space also contain this tricuspid valve sound. So left sternal margin in the fifth intercostal space also have the different sound of the tricuspid valve, and this is the proper sound of tricuspid valve heard in the right sternal margin of the fifth intercostal space. So it is sound of cuspid valve, so it is lap sound. So thank you. We are going to end this session. So we can read it one more time. The valve sound, the lap sound is sound of cuspid valve closing. Dub sound, sound of semilunar valve closing. Thank you.